Shukor nakaslem jong unong Sain Hima.
Menteri rang ba gajala ukon rat ke sangma ha kasni palai uloong badan kam kajing menjur lang na baro kiliang ha kabayade bat ka project Lynti rel hari lom khasi jantia bat ong baka sorkar kaladep ban krenshai ba on jam shakmat satang ladala ban yaselok bat yo ya kajing menjur na baro ulapin pau ya kajing sko babun na ki Seng san Hima sima ki klem wan banishim benta ha kajing elang ka all party meeting balathau da ka sorkar banyakren Halor ka mat ha ka bayade barkajing wan ra ya ka Lynti rel ha ka jila ula banjur ba ka nie ka mat ka long ka bakong san bha ha ka yo ka kot henry ula kentu ba ha ban long ki bahusiar bha bat don kam ban bishar bnia thik pathik ngin yai beteng ban pen so tho ikipat ba Halor ke jing mentoy jong kani bat ngin persyang ban le e Halor ke jing skopia kabakila ban don bat ngin pet la ngila ban poi sha ke jing shimrai bat hadien kani ngin sala ban le yekren shadel hi
mentioned this many times that it's a sensitive issue, and hence for us as a government we have been very clear that we will only move forward once we have a consensus, once we have dialogue and discussion, and we have some sort of agreement on how we can move forward in this together. And that is why, keeping that in mind, we had formed a committee. Committee means that we had called a meeting, for an all-party meeting to discuss this matter. And of course, most of the parties didn't come to the meeting, and they just, in fact, some of them even wrote to us saying that we will not be part of this discussion. So that's where we stand. So we have to understand that whether we agree or we disagree, until unless we don't talk, we're not going to reach anywhere. So if you don't want to talk also, and then at the same time when we try to do something, then you say that why are you doing it now and why didn't you discuss with us? It's difficult to move forward. So we are very clear, we are going to move forward only when we are able to consult and get everybody on board, and we will not move forward with anything until unless there is some sort of consensus in this. And continuously we are trying to engage with everyone, and we will continue our engagement. We will continue to explain to people about the benefits of this, and we'll try to address the concerns that they may have and see if we are able to come to a meeting point, following which we would be able to take it to Delhi.
What is your